Ow. I hit my head. Now that I have successfully knocked a little bit more sense out of my head, I would like to say, hey y'all, what is good, all my beautiful people out there in YouTube land? I love you guys. Thank y'all so very, very much for coming back one more again. Check out your girl, ifakcorp. Hey. Oh, I need to record that, write that down. That was a little catchy, right? Right. All right, guys. Today, we are going to wish you a Merry Wigmas. Wish you a Merry Wigmas. Wish you a Merry Wigmas. And a happy wig year. Oh, yeah. I am giving you guys another wig review today. My girl Wigs and Wanderlust has inspired me. She has been reviewing a new wig like almost every day on her channel, if not every day on her channel. She is awesome. If y'all want to see another wig connoisseur, check her page out on YouTube. I will try my best to remember to leave a link to her channel down below. Also, you know what is down below, you guys? Do y'all know what's down below? Comments are. Also, the subscribe button. Also, the like button. I cannot be successful on YouTube without you guys. And without you guys subscribing, I really can't be successful. So, if you would take a moment, hit that red subscribe button. Turn it into a gray subscribe button, which means you hit it. And also, don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you're notified anytime I drop new content for you guys. Yeah. All right, guys. This week, I'm going to do something a little different. Like you guys know, I've been telling you guys to leave a comment down below. And the person with the most amount of comments, the most amount of likes on their comment or the most interaction on their comment thread will get shouted out on my next video. So this week, I'm going to let you guys know who the winner is right now instead of waiting until the end. Because last time, I kind of forgot. So this week's comment winner is Jenny. Yay! Jen, KK Beauty, my baby girl, my boo thing. Hey, girl. What you doing? Congratulations, friend. You are this week's comment winner. Congrats, Jen. Y'all, Jen is a super sweet young woman who is a fellow YouTuber like myself. So y'all, please go check her channel out after you leave my channel. Of course, I want you to stay here. Check out this video and all of my other videos as well. Y'all check her out, though. She gives good beauty tips, good beauty advice. She even take you shopping with her, girl. Or guy. It can be a guy, too. Y'all could be guys out there. It's all good. But she shows you, like, all the sales. Like, little money, lot of products. All right, so here we go. This is what y'all came for. Time for this darn review, y'all. We are going to try on the Zury Hollywood's Sis Beyond wig. That's what we're trying today. This one here is going to be the Soto. It's the BYD-LACE. I do not know what, I think BYD is maybe like Beyond abbreviated or whatever. Soto is her name. And the color is the Som RT 2730. Do not ask me what RT is. I want to say maybe Roots. I don't know. Don't quote me. But Som is short for sombre, which kind of which means when I looked it up, sombre is dull. That's what sombre is defined as. That's what Siri told me. So if I'm wrong, do not come for me. Just help us decide. Don't talk about me. pray for me. help me out. All right, anyway, guys, so like I said, her name is Soto. She is, let's see, she's a lace front Avi. She does have, it says natural baby hairs, but we all know ain't nothing natural about these baby hairs they be laying down on these wigs. Y'all, these are like adult hairs. Like, you're totally adulting with them hairs right there. No, those are real live baby bangs, as Wigs and Wonderlust likes to say. Anyway, so it's Remy fiber, and the wig can stand up to 400 degrees of heat. All right, now for the moment of truth. Y'all ready? Let's see what she hitting on. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this. I am not feeling her. I don't know if it's the color with the dark roots or whatever. I mean, the other one that I had on, it was dark roots too, but this is just, I don't know. I feel like I look like PTA mom. Like, hi, Becky. I brought homemade cookies in my picnic basket that I wove myself. Like, no. I'm not feeling it, y'all. Like, okay. Anyway, whatever. Let me give y'all the specs, okay? I don't know. Okay, so I've been running my fingers through the hair. I do not have much shedding at all. And surprisingly, it's actually really, really easy to run my fingers through this hair. Y'all, it is, okay, I'm 5'10", and it comes to my boobs. I'm kind of scared to stand up. Let's do this. Hold up. Let's see if we can do this without knocking stuff over. Okay. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Okay, great. All right. So yeah, it is like, what, right here? What, right there? Yeah. Great. All right. Glad I didn't knock anything over. I was kind of scared I was gonna knock. Oh, almost fell. Hi, I'm back. Hi. So yeah, I'm not feeling it. I do not really like it. I would recommend it if you're looking for a good wig that does not tangle easily. Like, it's not easily tangled. It's easy to comb my hair through my fingers. Yep, because that's what you do. You comb your hair through your fingers. Comb my fingers through the hair. Not much shedding. What's that, like one strand there? Yeah, so the baby bangs, adult hairs, god dang, because they're not baby hairs. The mugs are so long. Also, one thing I don't really care for is this lace kind of is itching my face. The lace is itching my face, and that irritates the heck out of me. After about 2 or 3 hours, I'm ready to just snatch it off. I don't care where I'm at. Yeah. Let's talk about the big head friendly part of it. Once again, another wig that is not completely covering my hairline. Y'all, my real hairline comes all the way like right here. That's where my real hairline comes to. And if y'all could see, it's coming about about 1/4 of an inch behind my real hairline. Let's see on this side. Yeah. You see my real hairline is starting to grow back. It's growing in. I shave it back when I glue down my wigs. Excuse me, because I don't put on stocking caps and stuff like I'm supposed to. Anyway, yeah, no, not really feeling it. I'm about to put some powder on the part and see if that part looks a little better. Maybe I'll like it a little better then. Maybe if it was like maybe a little more like vavoom right there, you know what I'm saying? But this like little vavoom right here in the front and nowhere else, I just, it's just, I don't know. I'm not really, I don't know. Baraba. Yeah, so no, that powder gave my part much life, but not so much me. I would say that the curl pattern is bomb. The wig, the way the hair feels is nice, it's smooth, it's soft. It doesn't look super shiny, so it doesn't look super synthetic. Excuse me, super fake. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a couple of hard parts to comb my hair through. But comb my fingers through, y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, yeah. But all in all, this part is just killing it for me. Like, I needed to have some more body in here or something. Like, I needed to give me body. You know what I'm saying? It's not giving me body. Maybe if I did some baby hairs on it, but I doubt it. I think it's just the way it frames my face. I'm not really feeling it. Alright, y'all. So this is the front of the wig. You have the lace from one ear to the other ear. I'll flip that down for y'all. There we go. That's the lace. It looks like it's super reinforced. Okay. I don't know. Maybe y'all can tell me why that's like that. I don't know. Anyway, so you got the cap construction here. It looks good. Looks nice. That is that confused part that doesn't know where it want to go in its life. Y'all give it some direction. Help it out. We got two combs in the front. One right here and then one on that side of the part. Then you have the comb in the back. You also have the adjustable straps. Where are they? There they are. There's one strap and the other strap is over here on this side. So that. Anyway, don't forget to leave a comment. Hey, down below. Leave a comment. You know. Hey, do it. Hey, for your girl. Yeah. Hey, do it. Hey, for your girl. Hey, leave a comment. Anyway, y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the unit. Would you rock this unit? Would you? If not, let me know why you would not rock the unit. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like the video, guys. Like. Please. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Help your girl reach 1,000 subscribers. I would so totally appreciate it if you guys would. Not sure if y'all know, but us little baby YouTubers out here, we don't make any money off of these videos. We don't make anything off these videos until you meet certain criteria. You have to meet criteria, and I have not met it yet. I need about 800 more subscribers before I even come close to meeting the criteria, and about 3,947 more hours of watch time. I know you guys can help me do it, though. I know it. So anyway, y'all be blessed. Y'all be safe. Y'all be safe out there in these streets for this holiday season. Y'all know folks is crazy. Folks is robbing folks and taking all their baby toys. So make sure you good when you leave out that door. Y'all come back and see me real soon. All right, guys. I love you all.